gentle smile is the first I hold, like the breeze that whispers through the trees. You bring my restless heart to ease. Every glance is like a summer sky, full of hope that never passes by. In your arms I find a peaceful place, wrapped forever in your warm embrace.
Every wave keeps calling out your name. Every sunrise feels a little change. Love has found a quiet place to grow in the sweetest heart I'll ever know.
Your island eyes shine like the morning sea, lighting every hidden part of me. Every heartbeat flows so naturally, like the tide returning endlessly. Your island eyes tell a love so true. Every dream begins and ends with you. No matter where the winds may roam, your loving heart will always be my home.
Moonlight dances softly on the shore, making me believe in love once more. Every whispered promise fills the air with a gentle peace beyond compare.
Through the sunshine and the falling rain, your sweet love washes away the pain. Side by side beneath the stars above, we'll keep writing our forever love.
If tomorrow brings another dawn, we'll keep holding on and moving on. Every lesson makes our spirit strong, teaching us where faithful hearts belong.
No fear can steal the joy we found, where love and hope for a horror bound. Like the ocean needing golden sand, we'll walk together hand in hand. Your island eyes Every sunrise reminds me why true love never really says goodbye. I kept your laughter deep inside, like gentle waves upon the tide. Even when the distance grew, my heart kept finding its way to you. I heard your voice inside the rain, softly calling through the joy and pain. Time might carry us far apart, but it never changed this faithful heart. Every dream I tucked away found new hope with every day. Now the stars are shining bright, leading us back into the light. Love is stronger than yesterday, guiding every step along the way. Hand in hand we'll rise above, holding on to everlasting love. Love never left, it stayed alive, keeping every dream and hope alive. Like the ocean meeting golden sand, we found our way back hand in hand. Love never left, it simply grew, stronger with each moment we live through. Every heartbeat sings one truth, my forever still belongs with you. Every sunset paints the sky anew, bringing all my thoughts back home to you. Every whisper carried by the breeze fills my soul with quiet harmony. No mountain stands too high to climb when your hopeful heart is close to mine. Every season writes another page of a love that only grows with age. If tomorrow brings another storm, we'll find shelter in each other's arms. No fear, no pride, no walls remain, only hearts that learn through every pain. Let forgiveness be our sweetest song, a place where both our hearts belong. Side by side we'll gently sway, forever starts we lost today. Love never left our hearts behind, it patiently endured the test of time. Every sunrise brings a brand new view, every road keeps leading back to you. Love never left, it lights the way, brighter with each passing day. Forever faithful, forever true, my heart will always beat for you. Oh, forever yours, forever mine. Island winds will sing our song. Love stayed strong forever together. The moonlight falls across your face tonight, like a dream that never left my eyes. built forever from a simple kiss. Every promise felt like endless bliss. Though the seasons carried us apart, your melody still echoes in my heart. Even when the rain begins to fall, I can hear your voice above it all. Love may bend but never fade away. Deep inside my soul you'll always stay. Love still remains though we're worlds apart. You're the sweetest rhythm beating in my heart. Every sunrise brings your memory home. No matter where I go, I'm never alone. Love still remains like the ocean tide, flowing through my soul, forever by my side. If tomorrow gives us one more chance, we'll begin again our endless romance. Every photograph tells our story now. Silent tears become a sacred vow. Though the road is taking different turns, inside this flame your fire still burns. The stars above keep calling out your name. Nothing in this world feels quite the same. Still I pray the wind will carry you back into the love we always knew. Hold me close if only in your dreams. Nothing's ever quite the way it seems. Hearts can heal when love is pure and true. Mine still beats its sweetest song for you. No more pride, no more walls between. Let's become the love we've always seen. Every heartbeat writes another line, praying one day you'll be mine. Love still remains through the darkest night, shining like a candle with a gentle light. Every heartbeat sings your melody. You're forever part of every dream I see. Love still remains, never washed away, growing even stronger every single day. If destiny should bring us face to face, I'll be waiting with the same embrace. Oh, love still remains. Across the sea, across the rain.
Sunlight warms your gentle smile. Every heartbeat makes the journey worthwhile. You found beauty where my fears would hide. Wrap my lonely soul in peaceful tides. Every little promise that we made still shines brighter than the evening fade. With every touch, the world feels brand new. Every dream begins and ends with you. When the storms come rolling spirit flying high. No matter where tomorrow leads our way, I'll be loving you more every day. I'll always choose you
again and again, through every sunshine and every rain. You're the melody my heart sings true. Every road I walk comes back to you.
I'll always choose you forever, my life, holding my soul through the darkest night. Nothing in this world could change what's true. My heart was made to belong with you. Even when the silence fills the room, your loving spirit makes the flowers bloom. Every memory dances in my mind, leaving every fear so far behind.
Hand in hand we'll write another song, two faithful hearts where we both belong. Love keeps growing like the endless sea. You're the sweetest part of destiny.
If tomorrow brings another test, I'll still call your loving heart my rest. Every lesson made our spirits strong, teaching us where true hearts belong.
No looking back at yesterday's pain, only brighter skies beyond the rain. With your hand safely holding mine, our forever finally feels alive.
I'll always choose you. Every sunrise, I see forever shining in your eyes. You're the rhythm that my soul breaks through.
Every beat keeps leading back to you.
I'll always choose you, my sweetest song, where our two hearts have always belonged. No matter where this life may lead us to, I'll always, always choose you. Oh, your love carries me like the ocean meets the shore. Forever and ever, I'll always choose you. The evening breeze still carries your name, though the seasons change, I feel the same. Every smile we share lives on inside, like gentle waves upon the rising tide. You were mine. If love could stay just one more night, I'd hold you close beneath the moonlight. Every heartbeat whispers soft and true. No one else could ever shine like you. If love could stay and never fade, together we'd rewrite the plans we made. Though the road has pulled our hearts apart, you'll always have a home inside my heart. Every photograph still tells our song, a place where two young hearts belong. Though silence fills the space you left behind, your sweetest words still dance across my mind. Time may heal the deepest scars we wear, but it can't erase the love we used to share. I send my prayers upon the evening breeze, hoping somehow they'll find you peacefully. Love is patient like the morning sun, always rising when the night is done. If destiny should lead you back my way, I'll greet your heart without a word to say. No regrets, no tears to hide, only truth with nothing left to disguise. Whatever tomorrow chooses to do, a part of me will always belong to you. If love could stay forevermore, like waves returning to the shore, every melody would sing your name. Every sunrise would feel the same. If love could stay through joy and pain, I'd gladly dance beneath the falling rain. With every breath my heart will say, I never stopped believing love could stay. Oh, love still shines beyond the rain, like island wings across the sea. You'll always be a melody inside of me. Morning light is dancing on your skin, like a brand new story can begin. Every smile awakens something true. Every dream comes back to me through you. Gentle winds are calling out your name. Nothing in my heart
has stayed the same. You became the rhythm of my days, like island songs carried on the waves. Even when the storm clouds fill the sky, love keeps teaching us the reason why. Hand in hand we'll find a brighter view. Every road feels right when I'm with you. Forever by your side is where I'll be, like the tide returning to the sea. Every heartbeat sings your melody. You're the sweetest part of destiny. Forever by your side, through joy and tears, holding on through every passing year. No matter where tomorrow leads us to, my heart will always find its way to you. Every sunset paints the sky in gold, like a love that's stronger as it grows old. Through every trial, through every change, your embrace still feels like home again. When the silence gently fills the air, I can feel your loving spirit there. Every whispered promise still survives, keeping hope forever alive. If the night should hide the morning sun, I'll believe our story's just begun. No mountain high, no river deep could ever steal the love we keep. Let forgiveness wash away the pain, like summer showers after rain. Together we'll rebuild our dreams anew, with hearts forever strong and true. Forever by your side, my only home. No matter where this life may roam, every heartbeat carries your sweet name, burning like an everlasting flame. Forever by your side is all I need, growing stronger with each planted seed. Through every season, old or new, I'll always give my heart to you. Oh, forever by your side. Island breeze, carry our song. Love so faithful, love so strong. Forever, forever. sunshine meets your eyes, every cloud disappears from my sky, like the ocean dancing with the shore. You make my heart believe in love once more. Every little smile you send my way turns an ordinary night today. Wrapped together in the island breeze, your gentle touch puts my soul at ease. Every heartbeat finds a sweeter rhyme, every moment feels beyond all time. Holding you is all I'll ever need. Lovers planted such a precious seed. Higher with your love, my spirit flies, like the moon embracing midnight skies. Every melody begins with you, every dream feels beautiful and true. Higher with your love, I'm free at last, leaving all my lonely days behind the past. With your hand forever holding mine, every star above begins to shine. Gentle laughter floating through the air brings a kind of magic everywhere. Every whispered promise feels so real, teaching wounded hearts again to heal. Through the sunshine and the pouring rain, your sweet love removes away the pain. Side by side we'll write a brand new song. In your loving arms is where I belong. If tomorrow changes all we know, our faithful hearts will still the sunrise paints the morning sea, your gentle smile still reaches out to me. Like the island breeze upon my face, your loving heart has always been my place. Every little word you softly say turns the darkest night to brightest day. No treasure in this world could ever shine like the precious gift of your heart and mind. Even when the road is long and wide, love keeps calling with the changing tide. Through every season, every changing sky, together we'll keep reaching higher. Only your love can quiet every fear. Like a gentle melody I always hear. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time, with your soul forever close to mine. Only your love makes my spirit whole, like warm sunshine filling up my soul. No matter where tomorrow leads us to, my forever starts and ends with you. Moonlight dances softly on the waves, bringing back the sweetest memories we've made. Every promise written in the stars still reminds me love is never far. If the rain should ever cloud the sky, I'll still find hope reflected in your eyes. Every dream grows stronger day by day, when our hearts are never far away. Take my hand and let the music play. We'll keep dancing till the break of day. Leave behind the sorrow and the pain. Love can bloom like flowers after rain. Every blessing finds us side by side, guided by the everlasting tide. Nothing in this world could pull apart the sacred rhythm beating in our hearts. Only your love is the song I sing, like the joyful sound that freedom brings. Every sunrise writes another page of a love that never fades with age. Only your love lights my winding road, helping every heavy burden grow. Together forever we'll gently sway, wrapped in love ocean. Into forever. Only your love. The evening breeze still whispers your name. Though time has changed, my heart's the same. Every memory drifts like the sea, carrying pieces of you back to me. We planted dreams beneath the stars above, watered them gently with our faithful love. Though the seasons pulled our hands apart, your light still softly glows inside my heart. Every teardrop falls into the sea, leaving room for hope to comfort me. Though goodbye may echo through the night, morning always brings another light. Tomorrow's sun will shine again after every storm and every rain. Love may bend but never truly fade. Its sweetest memories forever stay. Tomorrow's sun will light our way, bringing hope with every brand new day. Though the road has changed beneath our feet, love still makes this journey feel complete. Gentle waves keep washing on the shore, teaching hearts to love a little more. Every lesson written through the years turns our deepest pain to strength instead of tears. When I hear the island evening song, I remember where our hearts belong. Even if our paths should drift apart, kindness will forever fill my heart. Take the sorrow, let the ocean flow. Leave behind the things we cannot hold. Forgiveness grows where love remains, like flowers blooming after rain. One day we'll both find peace again, smiling as the sunlight breaks the rain. Life keeps moving like the rolling tide, carrying hope forever by our side. Tomorrow's sun will rise once more, like gentle waves returning to the shore. Every heartbeat carries faith anew. Every sunrise paints the sky with truth. Tomorrow's sun will always shine, healing every wound searching for a love that would never fail. Then you came like the morning light, turning all my darkness into bright. With every smile you calm the sea, your gentle touch awakened me. Like a melody upon the breeze, you filled my restless heart with peace. Every step that brought you near was a blessing through the years. Now I know what love can be. Your faithful heart has rescued me. You found my heart when hope was gone, wrapped it in a sweeter song. Every beat belongs with you, strong enough to see us through. You found my heart so soft, so true. Every dream begins with you. Hand in hand we'll always stay, loving more with every day. When the sunset paints the golden sky, I still see forever in your eyes. Every promise carried by the wind feels like our love beginning once again. If the rain should fall upon our way, we'll keep dancing through another day. Like the rivers flowing to the sea, your love always finds its way to me. No mountain stands too high to climb when your heart is close to mine. Every scar has taught us how to cherish every moment now. Let's write tomorrow with our love, guided by the stars above, side by side through joy and tears, together through